If you've been diagnosed with osteoporosis or low bone density, you might have heard that wearing a weighted vest can help strengthen your bones. But let's get real. Does strapping on extra weight actually help, or could it make things worse? Hey, it's Amy from Be Healthy Enough, and today we're diving into the safety and benefits of using a weighted vest when you have osteoporosis. I'm going to cover what to look for, how to choose the right one, and most importantly, how to use it safely. Because when it comes to bone health, we want to do everything we can to build strength without increasing our risk of injury. Wearing a weighted vest during everyday activities or even during your workouts can boost your bone health by gently adding stress to your bones, telling them to wake up and rebuild and get stronger. It can also help improve your posture, balance, and muscle strength. Tip number 1, start light. Begin with a vest that's no more than 5% of your body weight. You want to add just a little extra resistance, not feel like you're carrying a backpack full of rocks. Tip number 2, avoid high impact movements with your vest on. The goal is to strengthen your bones without jarring them. Stick to low impact activities like walking, stair climbing, or even doing some gentle squats or heel drops. Tip number 3, listen to your body. I say this all the time. If you're wearing a weighted vest that makes you feel unsteady or causes pain, take it off and reassess. Safety first, always. Now, there are some situations where using a weighted vest is not safe. If you've had recent fractures, severe osteoporosis, or any balance issues, it's best to talk to your doctor or physical therapist first before using any vest. They can help you decide if it's the right choice for you. At the end of the day, the best way to strengthen your bones is with a combination of strength training, balance exercises, and proper nutrition. And I'm here to help guide you every step of the way. Curious about how to get started with bone building exercises? Download my free Stronger Bones Starter Guide using the links below, that's why I'm pointing below, to keep those bones healthy, safe, and strong. I'll leave the link to this weighted vest below, as well as a couple other ones I saw that looked really comfortable. If you have any questions, make sure you leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.